Good morning, class. Now we are going to start our second chapter. Our second chapter is Understanding Windows 10 or Managing Files and Folders. Both things are the same things. We are learning about Windows here, Windows 10. Okay. So what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter is number 1, Windows 10 and its feature. Number 2, about desktop. Number 3, customizing the desktop. Number 4, universal applications of Windows 10. Number 5, live tiles. Number 6, displaying multiple windows at a time. Number 7, exploring pictures. Okay. Now next is what is window or what is operating system. Window is an example of operating system only. Okay. Yes. Now what is window? Window is an operating system that act as an interface between user and hardware. What our operating system does? Number 1, it manages the resources of a computer system and provide common service for other software. It is like a manager. It manages all the things happening in the computer. It keeps, second point is, it keeps track of information, what has been created in computer, what has been deleted, what we need to copy, storage of files, everything. Okay. Now what is the example of Windows? Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows 2003. If we talk about latest version of Windows, that is Windows 10. Now currently we are using Windows 10. If we talk about window is GUI based. GUI based means graphical user interface. The GUI based operating system introduced in 1995. The first window that was introduced in India was Windows 95. Next is features of Windows 10. As it is GUI based means graphical user interface, it is easy to use, more interactive and more secured version of Windows. Number 2, it is much more personal, provides you with the ability to redecorate your desktop with new backgrounds, themes, colors and icons. We can rearrange, we can set our desktop according to us. We can put any picture or as in our background image. We can put any color, any icon in any form using Windows 10. Number 3, the enhanced search tool Cortana enables you to search anything on a system or the web directly. It lets you play music, videos, write notes, set alarms and reminders, etc. This thing I will show on my laptop only after this slide. Okay. Now the next point is the application Windows Store. This is like App Store in our phone. Windows Store provides bundle of updated apps we can download from Windows Store. Next is Windows 10 enables you to manage your desktop and Windows in a better way. You can create multiple desktops for different set of applications by using the task view button. All these things I am going to show by using my laptop only after this slide. Please first listen what I am saying, then after that I will show you by my desktop only, my laptop. Now the Snap Assist is a useful feature. It also helps you to rearrange your windows to make best use of your screen space. We can use multiple windows, multiple screen in a single screen. We will look how. Next is Windows Hello. This is type of password we apply on our laptop, but in this we can use our face, fingerprint, etc. like we do in our phone. Okay. It provides extra security to your system. Windows 10 only, not all Windows. Windows 10 only provide all these features. Now take a look. This is the icon for Cortana. Click on this icon. I clicked on. We can search anything here. Meaning of create. Meaning of create.
I can't get that.
Yes. I get the result, meaning of create. Okay. This is how Cortana works. We can search anything on Cortana. We can listen music. We can watch video. Anything we can do with the help of Cortana. Next is our task view. Suppose I am on my presentation. I want to see how many windows I have opened on my laptop. Go to task view. Right click on it. show windows side by side. Just click on it, show windows side by side. We can drag and drop the window according to us. We can use multiple windows at a time using this feature in Windows 10. Okay. Now using this task view only, just click on task view. I just clicked on it. Here we can see desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3, desktop 4. Desktop 1 we are using 2 documents we have opened on desktop 1. Desktop 2, yes, we can switch on desktop 2, nothing is there in this window. We want to go on desktop 2 again. Okay, this is desktop 1. So we can have multiple desktop on a single window, on a single laptop. Okay, using Windows 10 only we can do this type of thing. Now the other features are improved start menu. The start menu of Windows 10 give you quick access to app and services. I will tell you later. Next is Windows 10 supports multiple desktop. I have told you earlier. I have shown using my laptop. I have shown you. Okay. Now next is Windows snapping. Windows snapping is same thing. We can use multiple windows at a single time. We can use many applications simultaneously. Next is the new browser Edge. Microsoft Edge is a default browser of Windows 10. It allows you to write and highlight directly on web page. Next is Windows Store. It is like App Store. It is a type of application which provide you with all kind of paid and free app, game, music. You can try to use an app before you buy it. Next is using desktop and starting window. The word desktop is derived from the real world desktop. Desktop, top of our study or working table. What we find on that table, we find pen stand, notepad, calculator, file, etc. Similarly, desktop of Windows serve the same purpose. Here we can also find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, etc. This is the window when we start our computer or laptop. There are many icons here. These icons can be object, shortcut icons, document icons. Okay. These are the icons. Here on the left hand side we are having a start button. These things are the opened application. The black thing is this is taskbar. Okay, and the last extreme right we are having a peak point. I will tell you using my desktop, using my laptop only. Okay, now move to the next slide. Yes, what is taskbar? You will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen like this. Yes, it has a start button. Here we are having a search box. This is a search box. We can search any application by entering here only. Now task view button. Using task view button we have performed many functions like Windows side by side. We have done it. We have create many desktop also. And these are the shortcuts or open windows currently in our system. Here we are having notification area. At the last, at the corner we are having peak button. Okay, here this is the main screen. These are the icons, Dell, this PC, network, recycle bin, many icons are there. Now at the bottom we can see here, this is the, what is this? This is the taskbar. Okay, we are having a start button here. This is the search box. We can search anything here. This is the Cortana we have studied earlier. Task view. These are the shortcuts of many applications. This presentation, these notepads are opened. As we can see bar below these applications. It means these applications are opened on the system. Here we can see internet connection. The internet is connecting here. See, internet connection is here. This is for the internet connection. We can see date, time here. And the last thing, this is the peak point. Now the start button. This is probably the most used button on Windows desktop. This is on extreme left of the screen. As we have seen, this is the start button. When we click on the start button, a menu appear. This type of menu appear, displaying the major options. These are the major options along with the live tiles. These are the application in the form of tiles. We can see these are the application in the form of tiles. This is called start menu. It provides access to the main programs on a computer. See, here is the start button. When you click on start button, yes, this is the main menu we can see here, and these are the application in the form of tiles. Okay, this is the most used button in our system. Yes class, this is for today. Just revise this topic thoroughly. We will continue this chapter in next video. For today, thank you. Bye.